There you go.
Mercedes low drop kick, catching Willow on the knee, and Mercedes with ill intent for her challenger, Tony.
You could see Willow try to strike Mercedes in the midsection. She's a fighter, but right now, Willow's being overwhelmed, and so is the LED board. That was one on the blink.
Mercedes lining up. Willow, but no! Ooh. Buddy home, rough landing for the champion. And a oh my! Plus, oh, wait a second. Mercedes goes underneath the cover. Darby Allin, Wheeler Yuta. We heard the challenge from Yuta just thrown out. That's Mercedes now. The roll up too. And Willow swinging a miss. Mercedes looking for the moneymaker, but Willow breaks free. Now the backslide, 1, 2, and now, oh, what a lariat from Willow Nightingale! Cover, 2, oh!
Not surprising. Not at the fans, but at her opponent.
Oh, Willow slips through the grip of the CEO. The boot was up. Oh, blocks the knee strike. Oh, Willow with the high ground and the cannonball. Trying to put some distance between herself and her challenger.
Willow's going for it here.
Willow, cannonball once again, just runs over Mercedes. And Willow, she can feel the momentum shifting in her favor. Willow returns the champion to the ring, but Mercedes, oh, good God. Willow drives the champion down. And now Willow Nightingale in the corner, another lariat battering the champion.
That was a slug.
And Willow, the boot. Mercedes scouted Willow. Willow wasn't the only one that came into this with a game plan. Mercedes was prepared, but Willow went for the spine buster. But the pounce again! Championship, if Shelton wins, he earns a shot at the title. Babe with the power bomb! 1, 2! So the foot is on the ropes. Is Willow Nightingale up to the top, finds her feet. Moonsault press, nobody home! Perched on the top, frog splash, but Willow with the knees! Yeah! And
oh, no!
Mercedes. Strikes, repeated elbow strikes. And now statement maker.
Oh, this may be it for Willow.
Statement maker, Willow in trouble.
Pulling on that back that hit so hard on the table.
Mercedes gets reversed too. No, crucifix. Willow.
Can she stand up?
To her feet.
Oh my God.
Mercedes, they're fighting, desperately fighting to protect her TBS Championship. Comes through. Tierras, no. Moneymaker, blow.
That's thrown first to the top turnbuckle.
Willow driving Mercedes into the top turnbuckle, and now Willow. Babe with the power. No, Mercedes slips free.
Oh, what an effort by both women here. Amazing.
Willow changes grips, went for the overhook. And instead, oh wait, the cover, the roll up, 2. Oh! That's how Willow beat Mercedes the other night. But now, Willow, the lariat intercepted, spun out, sweeping the leg. Jackknife, 1, 2. No, Willow.
Oh, just rolled over. Great counter.
Babe with the power.
TBS Champion Willow Nightingale.
What an effort to get back in the ring after she was hammered on this table to win it over a great champion like Mercedes.
A well-deserved celebration for Willow Nightingale, who can now
84 days away. I got her back home.
Situation between Statlander and Nightingale.
And just say, oh yeah!
And Tony, you got to give the people what they want.
What a night, Excalibur! What a night to end!
What a night! What a year!